by the way. You're going to see this guy out a lot in this video because these things are tiny. There's no booklet. And yeah, my eyesight's bad. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. WYGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious what you get in a free box from Lookfantastic, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. So recently I did a Lookfantastic Advent Calendar unboxing. If you missed that, you can check it out in the eye above. It cost, I want to say, $115. And if you spent more than $100, Lookfantastic would send you a free box of products. So I am curious what they sent me. And I'm going to unbox it and we're going to talk through it. I presume it's all going to be sample sizes. But hey, who doesn't like free skincare and makeup? Okay, let's dive in and see what we got. All right, so it's a lot smaller. For free, this is great. I say smaller because I have received one of the free with purchase if you spend more than a certain amount, or maybe because I signed up for their subscription box. I don't know. And it was a lot bigger. But hey, free is free. All right, the first item, I decided to go with the tiniest. What is this? We have a brand called Fure, and it is Fure Oil. I don't even want to say this word out loud. Focus. So, this is, I'll just say the Southern Nether region hair, skin and more. What is this? Okay, so it's an itty bitty teeny oil that apparently can go everywhere on your body. If I can find any information, I'll put it on screen. All right. Thank you. Look fantastic. I don't know. Next item. We have something from a brand called Lancer. And this is the Method Polish, by the way. You're going to see this guy out a lot in this video because these things are tiny. There's no booklet. And yeah, my eyesight's bad. It doesn't say what it's meant to do, but it says that you do it before you cleanse your face. So I assume this is going to be some sort of an exfoliator. Again, on the screen. All right, this whole video is going to be me on the screen. All right, here is the next item. We have from a brand called Embryolisse, and it's the Creme Concentrate. There is only French on here. There's definitely going to be something on the screen to figure out what this is. What I can read is it's made in France and that it's dermatologically tested and really good. I don't know what this is, but it's tiny. Must be she. All right, 3 products in. 3 products and needing a screenshot. What else came in this free box? OMG. I thought it was bad that there was an oil for the nether region. If I'm reading this correctly, this here is from LELO Hex, and it says a re-engineered latex condom. Well, I'm in menopause and don't need... Why would they put a condom in a box? OMG. Okay, moving along. We have a foil packet, small sample from Rodial. It's the bee venom eye something. It just says bee venom eye. This little guy from Rodial is probably going to be like $6. That's a bougie, pricey brand. All right, we got another foil packet. This here is from Codex Beauty Labs. And it's a brightening night cream. And then we have another foil packet. This is from a brand called FGBG, Feel Great, Be Great. And this is for hair, skin, and nails. It contains 2 strawberry gummies for your daily dose of greatness. Probably some kind of collagen. All right, something I can read and a brand I'm familiar with. We have from Dr. Dennis Gross, the Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. And I believe I have received this before. I want to say in like an Allure box. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Yeah, so you get a bunch of foil packets. I think one half is step 1 and the other step 2. All right. Almost done. Quick video. Okay, and one more little foil packet we have from Codex Beauty Labs, and this is an exfoliating wash. I think one of the other items was Codex Beauty Labs. Here we have what I consider, compared to everything else, a large product. This is from Dr. Babor, or Dr. Babor, and it's the Refine RX Detox Vitamin Cream. We get 20 mLs. That's 10 mLs away from being full size. And the last item is super bougie because it's actually glass. This is from a brand I'm not familiar with called Sensory. And this is a detoxifying and revitalizing cloud cream. Ooh, what does that mean? Your standard cream. It has a scent that straight up smells like Pond's. If anyone is old enough to know what Pond's is, click the like button and leave me a comment. Yeah, I don't... Oh, is it maybe Rose? It's not hideous, but it straight up just like brings me back to the 80s. So there you go. If you ever decide to spend more than $100 with Lookfantastic, and they do sell their products. So like if they have products in their beauty subscription, those brands, they resell them. They may have a good sale. If you ever decide to spend more than $100, you too can get a free bag of random samples. The items were very different than last time, and I don't know if it's always the same. It's probably whatever they have on hand, because their box, I want to say, has sample sizes. I can't remember. It's been over a year since I subscribed. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if anyone was curious what is on my eyes, I'm sporting the ZC Ice Cream Quad Palette, which I unboxed in a recent new subscription from ZC. If you missed it, you can check it out. Alright, I want to thank everyone for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up and also leave me a comment. Both those activities really do help my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.